Great! Let's step it up a notch. Starting from this lesson, we'll deal with Python's functions as an invaluable tool for programmers. The best way of learning is by doing, so let's create a function and see how it can be applied. To tell the computer you are about to create a function, just write def at the beginning of the line. Def is neither a command nor a function. It is a keyword. To indicate this, Jupyter will automatically change its font color to green. Then you can type the name of the function you will use. For instance, simple, as we will create a very simple function. Then we can add a pair of parentheses. Technically, within these parentheses, you could place the parameters of the function if it requires you to have any. It is no problem to have a function with 0 parameters. This is the case with the function we are creating right now. To proceed, don't miss to put a colon after the name of the function. Since it is inconvenient to continue on the same line when the function becomes longer, it is much better to build the habit of laying the instructions on a new line with an indent again. Good legibility counts for a good style of coding. Alright, let's see what will happen when we ask the machine to print a sentence. Not much, at least for now. The computer created the function simple that can print out my first function, but that was all. To apply the function, we must call it. We must ask the function to do its job. So, we will obtain its result once we type its name, simple, and parentheses. See? Great! This will do for now. Thanks for watching.